Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Pure white, I like these on that colour on Tiguans. Tiguan, it's a 2 litre TDI BlueMotion Tech. It's a match model, match edition. It's a DSG automatic 4-wheel drive, Euro 6, ULEZ compliant, start-stop. Now done 91,000 miles, had the cam belt and water pump replaced by us at 77,000 miles when we sold it last time. We've taken it back in part exchange. Got good service history: 9, 18, 24, 40, 48, 77 and 85,000 miles. As I say, 85k. Cam belt just had a year's MOT, no advisories. Been well maintained, this car, and very well looked after. I think you can tell by the general condition of the bodywork and the interior. It's lovely. It has satellite navigation. It is automatic diesel 4-wheel drive, ULEZ compliant Euro 6. It has a space saver alloy wheel, it has a boot liner, and the load cover is in there. Rear park sensors and front park sensors. This car has self-parking assistance. It also has keyless entry and keyless start. There's your front park sensors, front fog lamps, not covered in stone chips. Aluminium roof rails, privacy glass. So this car will park itself in a space. It will reverse in, or it will parallel park. Suede in the centres of the seats and cloth on the outside. Multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, which was an optional extra. Satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth. There's the self-park button down there. Super clean. Super clean in the back as well. Got the picnic tables on the backs of the seats. Nice alloy wheels, nice tyres, 4Motion, so 4-wheel drive. Parcel shelf is in there. Tiguan boot mat. Under there the carpet's like new. Under there is a space saver, steel wheel, jack, toolkit, wheel brace, alloy wheel locking key. Can't really see any dents or scratches. The other little mark, 91,000 miles, but exceptionally nice for that. Inside and outside. Rear disc and pads there, new. Again, no bumper scuffs or stone chips. Mirrors aren't scuffed. Folding mirrors, electric mirrors, automatic headlamps, leather multifunction steering wheel. Got cruise control under there. 91,608 miles. Remember, it's got satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, climate control, automatic, keyless entry, keyless start. All in lovely condition. And you get all that for £8,495. Just been MOT for a year. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again. And there's 2,500 plus other car videos we produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. There will be lots of Tiguans to look at. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You would be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.